How to delete profile on Bumble. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete profile on Bumble. To get started, let's open Bumble app. This is your home page. So for now, this is your home page. Here you can see many icons. Now click on the profile icon. You can see your profile picture. Now click on the complete my profile. Here scroll down. Now you can see many profile picture that you have uploaded. So to delete the profile, click on the photo that you want to delete. And click on delete photo. You have successfully deleted your photo. So let's go back. Now you can see there is no profile picture. So it is asking to add a photo. So this is how you can delete your profile picture on Bumble. That wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.